Friends, I see this quite often, way more often than I would like. What that means is that that trucker has a leak somewhere in his airlines, somewhere in his air system. Listen, these trucks' air systems are closed systems. They're pressurized. They should not leak anywhere. Now, I understand that when you were in your CDL school, your instructors told you that your air pressure can go down, what is it, 3 or 4 PSI per minute. And that's true. But your governor should not be cutting out every 40, 45 seconds like that. If it is, you've got an air leak and you need to address that. The only place that you should be leaking air is at your glad hand connections. And you really shouldn't even be leaking air there. Let's take a look at it. These glad hand connections are they're just rubber or some nylon gasket, basically. Connect right there. Shove that sucker on there. If those glad hand seals, those rubbers or nylon grommets are a little bit wore out or misshaped, then yeah, they're gonna leak a little bit. But you can just pull those punks out of there and put new ones in, and then you don't have a leak at all. If you've got a leak beyond that, it's going to be at the brass fittings, those threaded fittings, and you shouldn't have a leak there either. If your governor is cutting out like that other truck over there every 40, 45 seconds, you need to address that. That is a telltale sign that you've got a problem. It's not that big of a deal, but get it fixed.